It's the wrong color. I think I actually have the ones I need today, but whatever. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. Got one. Oh, this is a good one. Holy crap. He's barely hooked. And it's a pickerel, but that's okay. That's okay. Don't like catching these because they fucking... Oops, sorry, I'm going to keep swearing. Okay, guys, relax. I'll get you out of here. I'll get you out with your teeth and your sliminess. Come on. Come on, I'll get you out. Alright, give me a minute. Well, that's still a pretty good one. Now I got no place to clean my hands. Whatever. Alright, let's reset this and do it again. It's not what I was looking for, but it's good enough. It's fine. Just didn't seem to be going right. See the difference? It wasn't going right. Whatever. Right here. Look at that, huh? Yes, sir. He caught it right there. Stop, 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 stop. I'll let you go in a second. Just relax, relax, relax. Because you're going to get my finger and I'm going to be mad at you. Ooh, he almost got my finger. That was nice. Absolutely. Good hook too. Look at that. Right in the lip. He bit it hard. There we go. Relax, because I got you. Just relax. That's a beautiful fish, huh? Absolutely beautiful. I have no room, so I gotta throw them out far. Come on, swim away. Good job. That was gorgeous. Now, make sure this thing is recording. It is. That was beautiful.